Now we can learn some of the places which is related with its unique popularity. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the peak on the crest of the Himalayas in southern Asia. It is the highest point on earth with a summit at 8,850 meters. Mount Everest lies on the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. Numerous attempts to climb Everest were made from 1921. The summit was finally reached by Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay of Nepal in 1953. Andes. It is the longest mountain range in South America, running 5,000 miles along the Pacific coast. It is a mountain system of western South America extending more than 8,045 kilometers. The Andes rise at many points to more than 6,710 meters. Greenland. Greenland is the largest island in the world. It lies between North Atlantic and the Arctic Ocean. Greenland is a self-governing province of Denmark. Greenland lies mostly within the Arctic Circle, inhabited by Inuit peoples as early as 3000 BC. Sahara. Sahara is the world's largest desert in northern Africa. Sahara is a vast desert of northern Africa extending east from the Atlantic coast to the Nile Valley and south from the Atlas Mountains to the regions of Sudan. Big Ben. Big Ben is the biggest clock in the clock tower of the Houses of Parliament, London. Clock housed in the tower at the eastern end of Britain's Houses of Parliament. The clock was designed by Sir Edmund Beckett. Big Ben is famous for its accuracy and its 13-ton bell. The name originally applied only to the bell, but eventually came to include the clock itself. Nile. Nile is the longest river in the world. It extends from its remotest headstream, the Luvironza River in Burundi, Central Africa, to its delta on the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile flows northward and drains about 1/10 of Africa. Its water practically supports all agriculture in the most densely populated parts of Egypt. Inuit. Inuits are the people who live in the extremely cold Arctic regions. Even their homes are made of ice, which is called as igloo. When referring to a snow house, igloos are shelters constructed from blocks of snow, generally in the form of a dome. Igloos are usually associated with Inuit.